Guys, today I'm doing an express room tour. This is gonna take like 2 minutes literally, but there was no video of this hotel. So yes, too, I'm doing lazy YouTube video today, guys, so you're just gonna have to deal with it because there's absolutely no video of this hotel online because we were looking for it. So here it is: Holiday Inn, Missisauga, Toronto Airport West. This view is actually quite nice. Not Toronto, it's Mississauga, but pretty nice view. Have a desk here, a whole mess, lying on the desk with your own chair, good AC, good heater. The bed was very comfortable, so 100 points in this. They never failed at the Holiday Inn. They have this cute little closet, which is weird. You never find closets, and they have a safe because some hotels are not doing safe anymore. I don't know why, but they do have a safe, so that's really good. Some space with your iron board. And then here you also have, they leave you coffees, obviously you already drank it, your ice, your microwave, and a fridge. So you can bring snacks and have it over there. A couple of drawers over there. The room is a little just like, it's not big, but it's perfect enough for people to walk around. And then here you have the bathroom, a little outdated, but very clean. So yeah, and you have Dove shampoo, conditioner, and soap, so that's pretty nice. So yeah, for a quick stay, it's good. Real quick show of the area. There's a DoubleTree over there. Hold on, this is not focusing. There we go. And yeah, there's a couple restaurants over here, so you can just walk over there. But yeah, as you can see, a lot of it's just like stores. Not super nice area, but I mean it's just a hotel to sleep, right? So the area around it is very industrial, so you have like car dealerships. You do have like 3 or 4 restaurants very close by, like walkable, like literally 2-minute walk. I don't know if you want to walk and it's cold, but it is. And then down the street you have like Tim Hortons and Wendy's, Taco Bell, all that thing. So I think for a quick 1-night stay or 2 nights, or if you're not gonna be in the hotel at all and just sleep, it's quite nice. And it did include a breakfast, so freshly made pancakes, granola, yogurt, eggs, sausage, bacon, all the Holiday Inn kind of thing. So yeah, it's not bad.